In addition to our user manual for SDP Cryptogram project for CS6300 Team 25, we decided to create a small video to demonstrate how the application is used. First, when it's launched, you click on Start Play. You can select from a list of users if they're available. Otherwise, you can create a player. So I'd like to create a player called Player 1. First name is Joe, actually Joseph. Last name is Doe. Email is jd@somewhere.com. It's important to remember here that the username must be unique and the email must be a valid email. Once it's done, you click submit, and now the player is created. So I'm going to click on that player and select that player to play the game. Here I can create a cryptogram. To create a cryptogram, you give the cryptogram a name. I'm going to call it test1 and original phrase with a limit of 40 characters. In this case, I'd like to type hello. At this time, I can select how many attempts I'd like it to be. I'd like to have 2 attempts for this cryptogram. And notice what happened here. It just told me now I need to replace the following letters because it knows these are the letters are available in the cryptogram. I want to choose A, B, C, D. Again, here you want to make sure you use unique letters and you can't use duplicate letters. Once you're done, I would like to test my cipher. So the answer is really B, A, C, C, D. However, once I'm happy with this, I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. Now I saved the cryptogram. I would like to solve that cryptogram. I would like to click on Choose to Solve and give me a list of all the cryptograms that have not been solved yet. So I would like to go ahead and select on the one I just created, and I'd like to attempt it. So now I'm attempting to solve the cryptogram. I'm going to pretend I don't know what that cryptogram is, and I'm going to say Apply Cipher. Then I'm going to submit. Now I have one incorrect submission. I would like to say, you know what, maybe it's T instead. And I'm going to go ahead and click on submit again. Again, now I have 2 wrong attempts. I believe I did 3, so let's try one more attempt just to show you that once I submit it, now it's my 3rd attempt, maximum attempt is reached, and now that cryptogram is no longer here. Let me go back to the home menu. Let me demonstrate other feature. Let me take a look at the unsolved cryptograms. So if I click here, now I can see a list of unsolved cryptograms. Now I can go completed cryptograms. This is the cryptograms that are completed. It says completed. That's the one I just did, and it's not successful, but it's no longer available, so it's completed. Now I want to look at the statistics, and I want to click on this cryptogram I just created, and it says it hasn't been solved yet, and that's the day that was created. First 3 player who solved it, nobody. Now there's a lot more little features in this application that you can play with, but I think for the sake of this demo, this is what we'd like to do. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Team 25 CS6300.